just wanted to go over the time study system quickly to give you an overview. It starts with work assignments. The presumption is that the rooms have routine, they have time, so the tasks are set up. And then we go to work assignments menu, perform time study, and we pick a work assignment. And an observer, which can be anybody. I'm going to put myself as the observer. And then we go to perform the time study, and there's two modes, single and dual. Single is if you have a single person, dual is for a two-person team. We go into pick a building and floor, and we see all the tasks, their frequencies, the allocated time on a daily basis. So this looks like a daily task, so it should take 7 minutes according to the data we have now. And once we pick that room, basically the clock has started for the room. So these individual tasks we can start and stop and go on to the next one. We can even start two tasks simultaneously, although it doesn't make that much sense. And as I pick up the tasks, it's recording the time and getting the total accumulated time. You see the clock stopped right now. And we can hit that one and go on and so forth. We don't have to do all the tasks, and if there's too little time, it simply won't save the record. So the precision of VBA, Visual Basic, is within plus or minus half a second on these button clicks. So, but if you think about most tasks taking a minute or two, the accuracy will wash out in the end. So I hit stop, and just to show you another mode, I can go in and again pick a work assignment, perform time study, and I can pick dual mode. Then I have to pick a second employee, building, and floor. And now I have two sets of start and stop times. So when the workers are doing something together, we can record that. We can stop both. Then perhaps they split up. Then we'll simultaneously record two different tasks at the same time. So I stop that. Maybe we start both again on something. This is nonsensical data. I'm just trying to show you how it works. The idea is that one person in the team would be working this on a laptop or a touchscreen device, while the perhaps another one is doing just some other observations and notes. And when you're done, you can come back and synchronize to the main database. So we can have multiple teams out there and all synchronize back with the data. Once the data is synchronized into a database, kind of consolidated, we have a time study data dashboard. And that'll let you look at individual schedules, what you would know as area types, and see the difference between the current database, the assumed task time overall, and the actual time we recorded. And if we go down and pick an individual task, we can see that. Yeah, it's fun. When we get into the calibration, system calibration, it gets interesting because we can actually force this data back into the database, and the individual tasks can be adjusted. And then, of course, there's the reporting, and that's done on the time study reports page, where we'd pick an assignment, and we can look at it with or without tasks. So if I look at the assignment summary view, it looks like this, and I'll send a copy of that. The detailed view just simply shows all the tasks. So since I forgot to mention, when we close out a particular room and go to another one, we record the end time. So any lost time in the middle is captured, and the time between going from one room to another is also captured as travel time, or non-productive time. We can put in, put this in explicitly in terms so we could pick a room for non-productive tasks like stowing a cart, just so we see exactly where that time went. There's always time falling between the cracks, so it's interesting.